Introducing Strategy in Action, the first SaaS platform fully dedicated to formulating, planning, and monitoring your strategy, combining fully digitalized workflows, data and insights with expert coaching. Strategy in Action helps you and your leadership team learn and apply world-class management practices and theories in a simple, intuitive way. The strategy formulation module allows you to generate 5 to 10-year strategic plans and identify the key priorities which will propel your company forward. Build on your strengths and improve your most critical weaknesses. Analyze the markets you compete in and explore new opportunities while identifying critical threats. Create compelling financial scenarios for the long term and clearly envision the expected impact of your strategic choices. With the operating plan module, cascade down your long-term strategic plan into a short to mid-term execution plan. Break down your strategic priorities and transform them into compelling and robust business cases, leveraging the power of objectives and key results. Frequent progress reviews and an annual strategy refresh give your leadership team unparalleled learning and visibility of actual performance to sustain your strategy over the years. All in a centralized place to be fully utilized by the wider organization, allowing everyone to help build your future. Strategy activated.